Hey everybody, thanks for watching. This is my Pioneer 1005 Forest Edition, and I got myself a set of Vertex shocks from Rough Country, and I'm going to be installing them today, and I'll let you know how I like them. Stay tuned. The only tools you need for the job is a 17 ratchet and a 17 end wrench to take the shock bolts out. And you're going to need a floor jack and some jack stands. Approximate ride height 16 inches. You're going to start by jacking up the front of the bike. The front shocks can be changed without removing the front tires. There's lots of access here to the lower bolt and to the upper bolt. Just jack it up and take the bolts out. Once you've removed the bottom bolt, you may have to lift the tire to take the tension off the bolt. You have to take off the top bolt, and the shock should come right out. Okay, I've got the preload set at 1 7/8 or 2 inches approximately. See how I like that, if I need to adjust. Okay, I'll repeat that on the other side, and then I'll move on to the back. Okay, so it appears that I've gained 1/2 inch with the preload settings I've got on these rough country shocks compared to my stock shocks with the 1-inch PBR product spacers. Alright, so now to do the back ones. It's easier if you lift the box so you can get at the top bolt of the shock, and then repeat the same thing. Take the weight of the bike off with the jack, remove the 2 bolts, pull the shock out, put your new shock in, tighten the bolts, set her back down. Same for both sides. You do not have to remove the tires. Okay, in the back it measures 13.5 inches from the ground to the bottom of the back there at a certain point. And my shocks are blown, so we'll see how much difference the Vertex shocks from Rough Country make. I've got the preload from here to here about 1 5/8 inches or so to start with, and I'll adjust from there. Okay, so I'm just taking out the other rear shock. I've got the bottom bolt taken out. I'm about to take the top bolt out, and I'll tear this shock out. This is where this shock belongs with the other 3. There's another rear shock installed. Just gonna put the bolts on and tighten her up and take a measurement and see where she sits. Okay, now that the new shocks are installed on the rear, both sides, I'm measuring about 15.25 from the concrete floor up to about this point here, same point I measured on the stock shocks. So 15.25 there, and approximately 16.5 in the front.